Hello everyone. As you know, I've been putting out a new video every week this year, giving tips on how to improve your Google Ads campaigns. With the escalation of the coronavirus outbreak and things changing daily, this week's tip is a really simple one. Keep marketing your business. Don't stop. If anything, ramp it up. If you find you have more time on your hands because you can't work, then work on your marketing strategy. If you have cancelled meetings, see if you can use Skype, WhatsApp, video or FaceTime to still have face-to-face meetings with people. This is a difficult time, but it will end, and when it does, you'll need your business to bounce back even stronger. Keep a firm grip on your marketing strategy, and it will. See you next week.